and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode I'm gonna talk about my Milwaukee collection. I started out 3 years ago with this little guy. This little guy is a M18 3/8 impact drive ratchet gun, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna start with the positive first. This thing has been bad ass. I love it. I didn't ever use it with a black socket because I didn't know. I simply didn't know. I bought this thing to help me work because I'm a self-employed mechanic, and this thing has been great. It saved me a lot of time doing suspension, even a few dampers, a few bearings. I even busted loose a few lug nuts with these things on small cars, you know, the ones that aren't over tightened. And the only complaint I have with this thing is the light doesn't work anymore. Supposed to be a light there. This thing rattled so hard, the light one day started working, stopped working, started working again, and just one day stopped working. But I can't complain. This thing has been really awesome. It's really dirty. The battery rubber down here is almost gone, but you know, nothing a little duct tape won't fix. If you wanna start off with the Milwaukee collection, I recommend you start off with this. This is a very multi-purpose use. You can use it for, like I said before, suspension work, engine work. You can put a Phillips or flathead attachment here. You can use it inside the house. You can use it anywhere you want. This is a real good beginner ratchet. This is the old version, only has around 200 foot-pounds of torque, of nut busting torque. It has 3 power settings, still works. Lowest setting, this is 20 foot-pounds I think. The next setting is 50 foot-pounds, and the third setting is full power. I have no complaints here, everything works. This battery and this gun is 3 years old. No kidding, boys. I'm gonna show you a video that's 3 years old and a video compares of using it today, doing the same job. This thing is a beast. This is the old version, only has 1200 foot-pounds of torque. Only. Right. This thing is really powerful. I bought this about 6 months after this, so this is a 2-year after review. It's still tight. Everything works. Let me show you. This is a almost fully charged battery. Not gonna show you the torque and everything. There's millions of channels showing you the torque, the settings and everything. This is real life work. The light works, and you have 2 power setting, a low setting which is 200 foot-pounds of torque. and you have a high setting, which is 1200 foot-pounds of torque. So I also recommend this one. This is a half drive socket and it works great. Here comes Milwaukee. This flashlight is crap, but I don't complain because it's only 18 bucks. I'm gonna order a new one. You see it all broken like this, but this thing still works. It still works. It doesn't light up anything anymore, but it still works. I need a new lens. I need maybe I'll do something with it one day because the LED still works. But hey, you can't complain. It's a cheap part. I got it for free with a kit, and it's great. I would definitely buy one again. This guy is my favorite. This guy is my all-time favorite. I use this every day, from big brake jobs to engine work to even heavy work underneath the car. I bust them loose with a ratchet and then I go in it and just go to town, man. Just remove everything. It goes really good. I only use this with this battery. It's also a 2.0, but lasts me a good while. I work alone down here, so batteries is not my bigger issues, and works really good still. Go to reverse. That's our reverse. I need to upgrade my collection one day. I need to get the more powerful version of this, the newer, stubby, shorter version of this, and this one I won't trade it for the world. They have a new version with a big head like this. This is an impact gun, also good, but I didn't try it. This is my small collection, and this was my 2-year, 3-year, 2.5 year, 2-year review of these tools. And my recommend, and if you're here to see my video and if you're wondering should you buy this, hell yeah, man, just do it. Check what you need, what kind of jobs you do every day, what is the best Milwaukee tools for you. If you work on small, let's say lawnmowers or bikes, you know, you need this guy. It has enough power, it gets into tight places, and works really good. You can get these cheap now. This is the older version, maybe $200, $150 with a battery, and go to work. Milwaukee, this is my complaint. This is my one and only complaint. This guy. This is my second charger. The first charger didn't last much. I don't know if I dropped it or somebody dropped it, but it didn't last long. This one is my second charger. I bought it locally and keeps everything charged. You got 2 charging stations for the M12 and the M18. And that's about it. Milwaukee has great tools, weak charger, but great tools. Thank you again, guys, so much for watching. This was my 2-year review of my Milwaukee tools, and if you ask me, I would definitely buy again. So please subscribe to my channel if you want more tools and more shenanigans and more of my truck. And stay safe, boys. Stay safe. Take care. Peace.